Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can update WhatsApp. So in order to update WhatsApp, you have to go to Play Store app. So once you're on the Play Store app, here you can see I have already opened or searched a WhatsApp app, and you can see in the search result here are two options, one is uninstall and another one is update. Here we have not got update option yet, so in order to update it, there must be update option in Play Store to update it. So once the update will come, or once the update is arrived, in the replace of open you can see update option, and you can easily update it just by clicking it. So this is the only working method to update the WhatsApp. If you found the video to be helpful, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.